Hello. I'm going to show you how to replace endlinks bushings to your car or truck or SUVs or that matter. I'm going to replace this with a handmade bushing made from tires. It will be to replace this worn out endlinks with these new handmade bushings that is snug and tight. This would be cheaper compared to buying new ones from the auto shop, just replacing the bushings instead of replacing the whole endlinks. You would notice the problem rises when you hear the noise like this. It feels like coins bouncing off from your car. When you're driving along with an open window, you can't really hear it with a closed window, but you can hear it on an open window. Teach you how you replace it with this handmade bushing. Let's go. This uses a 14mm bolt and 14mm nut here, the bottom and the top. So to make your life easier, I suggest putting the wrench and just putting it where it's stuck, so that when you turn underneath, it would not spin with it. Loosen it all the way. Oops, slip. Sometimes it would slip off, but you can simply fix it with pushing it. So. It's off. Slide out. Remember the orientation. Forget to remove the wrench, the bushings. Okay, let's go. The washer and the bushing is just stuck in there because it's old. It won't break loose. What I would like to do is use a flathead screwdriver. See, a flathead screwdriver, just like this, or any type of screwdriver you use. Just pry it out. Wow, it's not going loose. The bigger one, flatter one. Oh, it's really cruddy, dusty, and everything. And I'm going to clean this off. And what I would want to do is get my penetrating fluid and just spray it on there. to remove the, get some wire brush to remove the rust that's been accumulated in the bolts. This one will need to be replaced. As you can see, it's quite damaged, but not badly damaged, just like the other one. And that's clean. It's now clean. I'm going to wipe this off with the paper towel or any kind of tissue, just to remove the residue. There you go. It's time to assemble our new assembly then. After cleaning the surfaces, I used the wire brush for it to clean the surface. After cleaning it, to start to assemble our new end link bushing. So first start off with a washer, and then it's kind of hard when holding a phone in your hand. And that's one bushing installed. One bushing installed, then right through here. Next would be another bushing like that. Just insert the bushing when you go in the bolt, insert the bushing, and then you're gonna need another bushing to hold it in place, so it's cover up for this tube. The top, went through the tube up top, and I reused the old ones because the new bushing that I pre-made is kind of large. But yeah, I'm gonna use two of the old ones, but because it's quite still good, bushings are quite good too, so I'm gonna use some of the old ones just up top. So I'm gonna put one bushing, then we're gonna add one bushing, one spacer, one bushing there, and then another spacer to sandwich the bushing, and slide right in. And the other bushing on top. So as you can see, one bushing is sliced in between these two washers, so that inside, then another bushing up top, and the last bushing on top. So there. Now what I have to do is tighten them down. Here's my 14mm socket. Ratchet wrench. Fit it snug here up top, and my 14mm socket down here, and tighten it. This was an invalid point, so the wheel is the exact point to hold my wrench. I need to loosen up a bit because it's too much tension. Okay, that should do it. Make sure it won't bulge out too much to indicate that you're destroying the bushing or something. This won't, the old bushings won't bulge out because it's kind of old. But yeah, the socket. That's how you place an end link, rear end link. That's how you replace an end link on a Pajero Gen 2.5 or a Pajero Fieldmaster. That's it for today. I'll see you in the next video.